I decided to make a scroll saw, and I didn't want to use the plans or make it like everybody else's, so I decided to design my own. And this is what I came up with. It's pedal driven, it's all wood except for the screws that hold it together and the thing that holds the blade. The rest of it's all wood. Well, it has weights in the flywheel too, because the flywheel has to keep it motivated, but the problem being that the glue let me down on this here too, but you can see how it works when I turn the flywheel. Yeah, I made it so that the table would tilt. So it actually is made to saw wood. Even though it's not very practical, it's functional.
There's one modern material in there, right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit of plexiglass on that.
Yeah, there's plexiglass right here as a hold down so you can see through it. And it's got metal device that holds the blade.
Other than that, just the lead in the wheel, and a few bolts and screws to hold it together.
Has lead weights underneath each one of these pieces of purple art. The rest of it's made out of maple. It's one of those things you had to put screws in because I had to take it apart and put it back together so many times. One of those devices that didn't work the first time, or the second, third, fourth, fifth, or probably the 12th time. But I finally got it to working. But like I say, it's not practical. It's functional, but not practical.